Greetings, my name is Mawaminga, and I will be taking you through the subject of business intelligence. But before we dive through, let's just look at the word business intelligence. What does it mean? Like if we lay it down in a layman language, business is an activity that generates income, and intelligence is the ability to figure things out fast. So we go straight ahead. Introduction to business intelligence. Business intelligence is ideas, processes, technologies, turning raw data into meaningful information that support better decision and identifies business opportunities. Business intelligence is basically a set of ideas and processes and technologies that turn raw data into meaningful information, and that meaningful information can be used for better decision making and for identifying better business opportunities. And the core functions of business intelligence is analyzing large data, providing insights, and enhance competitiveness, which means when you have a large amount of data, huge amount of data in business, this is something we come across regularly. So it helps you analyze these large amount of data, and then it gives you insights, it gives you clues, and it gives you hints, and then it enhances competitiveness. It helps your business reach a certain level whereby it can be a good competitor in the market. Why business intelligence is needed? Decisions vary. There is structured and unstructured decisions, there is routine or unique, and then there is operational, managerial, and executive. How? Structured decisions are decisions that are built systematically, and then unstructured are random decisions whereby you pick different elements from different sides for that decision. And then there is routine decision, which is a decision that is taken constantly. Every now and then you have to take that decision. And then there is unique decision, which is a decision that is taken once, only once. And then there is operational. These are decisions that concerns the operations of your business. Then there is managerial decisions. These are decisions concerning managing your business. And then there is executive decision, that is decision taken at the top management level. And bad decisions cause small or catastrophic impacts. Taking bad decisions or decisions that are not studied well can affect your business. It could affect, the effect could be very small, or it could be in a very huge scale. And then business intelligence replaces guesswork, detects hidden problems, and manages data overload. It replaces work that it helps you avoid guessing. Instead of guessing, it gives you clues, it gives you patterns that you can follow to take your decision, and then it detects hidden data. Sometimes there are some data that you will not be able to pay attention to, whether it's naturally or for some other external factors. And then business intelligence helps you in detecting this type of data, and then it manages data overload. When there is a huge amount of data in a short period of time, or in a very small data storage, then business intelligence help you manage this type of data. Let's look at the role of IT in decision making. Managers face fragmented knowledge and data overload at all times. As I just explained, data overload is a huge amount of data that needs to be processed in a short period of time, or huge amount of data, scattered data in different places that needs to be processed in a short amount of time or in a specific amount of time. And then fragmented knowledge is knowledge that that are in fragments. You know, you find part of it here, part of it there, part of it there. So managers face that all the time, and business intelligence helps centralize, filters, and analyze data. Business intelligence helps create a point of focus for data, and then it filters the data, which one is good and which one is I will not say there is data that is not good, but then it filters the data. It determines which data is critically good. Like it puts them. It points out the levels of sensitivity of the data, and then it analyzes the data, and then it enables faster and better decision making. Business intelligence helps you take decisions fast, and it helps you take more accurate and more efficient decisions. Now, let's look at the historical foundations of business intelligence. Let's start with the relational database. That was in 1969, or it started in 1969. There is a database management system called CODES module, and then there is Oracle. Oracle actually is a whole company that is specialized in database management systems. And then there is Ingress. Ingress is also a database management system that is specifically related to relational databases. And then there is enterprise systems. There is material requirements planning, which is MRP, and then material requirements planning 2. And then there is enterprise resource planning, integrating multiple business functions. And then centralized database underpin business intelligence. This is also a database management system that is specifically created based on business intelligence, or created with the help of business intelligence. Other foundations of business intelligence: operations research, which is optimization or boosting, making it better. And then resource allocation. What resources do you need for your business, in which amount, and where and how can you get them? And then artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence helps in problem solving. It solves problems efficiently, and then it helps in planning, and then there is machine learning and expert systems. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that is focused on enabling systems to learn from data and improves their performance without explicit programming. In a layman language, machine language is a field of artificial intelligence that helps systems learn on their own without the help of any specific programming or any sophisticated programming. And that's it. We have reached the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.